Hello and welcome to Saurashtra's classes. Today we are going to solve some questions based on quantitative aptitude. As we know that quants is one of the most important portion in any competitive examination, and it is the most scoring portion also, as it requires only your basic numerical and mathematical skills. So if your mathematical skills are uh, high enough, or your mathematical concepts are clear enough, then you get a good score in this portion, which will reflects your total marks also. So let's start with the first problem. The ratio of the volume of a cube and of a solid sphere is 363 is to 49. Now we need to find the ratio of an edge of the cube and the radius of the sphere. Okay. So first of all, we assume that the side of cube is A. And the radius of the solid sphere is R. Okay. Now by the question, volume of the cube divided by volume of the solid sphere is 363 divided by 49. The volume of the cube divided by the volume of the solid sphere is equals to 363 divided by 49. Okay. Now, excuse me. Now we know that the volume of cube is a cube and the volume of the solid sphere is 4/3 pi r cube, and this is equals to 363 divided by 49. Okay, now from this we get a cube divided by r cube as 363 divided by 49 into 22 by 7 into 4 by 3. Now from this we get a by r is equals to 11 into 2 divided by 7, that means 22 by 7. Okay, so our required ratio is 22:7, hence option B is the correct answer. Now let's see the next question. If A and B together can finish a piece of work in 20 days, and B and C in 10 days, and C and A in 12 days, then A, B and C jointly can finish the same work in how many days? By the question, A plus B's 1 day work is 1 by 20. Okay. B plus C's 1 day work is 1 by 10. C plus A's 1 day work is 1 by 12. Therefore, we can say that 2 into A plus B plus C's one day work is nothing but the sum of 1 by 20, 1 by 10 and 1 by 12. So after summing up we get 6 plus 3 plus 6 plus 5 divided by 60 is equals to 14 divided by 60, or we get 7 by 30. Now we can say that A plus B plus C's one day work is 7 by 30 into half. That means 7 by 60. Hence, A, B and C can finish the work together in 1 by 7 by 60 days. That means 60 by 7 days, or we can write 8 and a 4 by 7 days. Hence option C is the right answer. So we have successfully solved 2 questions, and that's all for today. And if you want to know more about quants, then you can join our classes. So feel free to contact us in this any of this number 9836793076 or 9874822756. And for further details, you also can check our website, which is www.sarasclassclasses.com. Thank you very much.